Hello and welcome back to my channel. So the Gift Whisperer is back this time for Mother's Day and also teachers' gift ideas because it's almost the end of the school year. Mother's Day is coming up. And frankly, if you're a mom yourself, you could treat yourself or send this video to your husband with the subject line, I deserve this. And then the body just number the things that you want for yourself because guess what, moms, we do deserve it. We're going to start with my first pick for Mother's Day gift idea because this is my current hyperfixation in the running of my favorite purchase of the year. And it is this ice blanket. There's new technology. It's a special Japanese fabric that actually does cool you down. So I was curious. I purchased it and oh my goodness. Like I love this blanket. I sleep hot and I normally sweat at night. Not with this blanket. And I feel like a lot of moms, as hormones change, there could be hot flashes or sleeping very hot. So this blanket, not only is it so silky soft, it really does an amazing job at cooling. And I am picking one of these up for my mom and my stepmom because that is how much I love it. I need them to experience the cooling blanket. This is a new release item that I thought was just such a clever spin on a common gift item, which is this candle. This is a soy wax lavender candle. Well, this one has healing crystals in the candle. So as the candle burns down, you're left with these crystals that you could either put around your house, you keep in your purse. They're supposed to bring you good luck and good energy. And whether you believe in that or not, it's not going to hurt anything. And it's also just so pretty. It smells amazing, very relaxing. So I like this. Instead of just a basic candle for mom, get her a crystal candle. This I saw and I wanted it for myself. And it comes in a 2-pack. So you can give one to your mom and keep one for yourself. They are these gel heel moisturizing sleep socks. So they're very soft, fuzzy. And then on the inside, there's a treatment that moisturizes and helps heal your cracked, dry heels. And especially with summer and spring coming up, sandal season, I love the idea that I could sleep in these and wake up with nice feet. Actually, I think these, along with the electric foot file, I freaking love that thing. I don't think it got the attention it deserved when I shared it during the spring sale, but it's amazing. So a little foot care, foot pampering package, I think would make a cute gift. So another gift that I got from my mom is I picked up the Peak Radiant Skin Duo. I worked with them a couple months ago. I used my own code to get her this because it's such a perfect gift item. You get the matcha tea, ceremonial grade, highest quality matcha. Even if you don't think you like matcha, you probably just haven't had really good high quality. And then they also have the BT Fountain, which is an electrolyte drink with hyaluronic acid and ceramide. So your mom is getting all of the beneficial anti-aging antioxidants from the matcha. And also in her water, she can be drinking the Fountain of Youth. And my code, it does still work. It also comes with this beautiful glass beaker and the electric whisk in a little gift set. So it's perfect for a gift item. And that is what I am actually giving to my own mom. Next gift idea is something that I had never seen before, but they're getting very popular. The reviews are amazing. And it is a cryotherapy massage ball. So you put this in the freezer for a couple hours. It stays ice cold for about 45 minutes. A lot of people use this for carpal tunnel, wrist issues, any sore muscles, whether it be in your back, your legs, your feet. Most of us women have tension somewhere, right? So I love the idea of this. The reviews are phenomenal. And then for my mom, she travels a lot. And I saw this new travel jewelry case, which not only, look how cute. You open it up and it has 3 compartments. So you can put your necklaces, earrings, rings in here. It stands up and then it just rolls right together like this. This is a gift that I think could really help develop your bond with either your mom or your family. There are these special conversation cards. So you can get this with your mom. And the questions on these are just very beautiful, in-depth things that you maybe have not thought to ask your mom, but it would be so enlightening and interesting to get to have those deeper conversations. Another card option are these self-care cards, which I love because they give you creative ideas just to take care of yourself and focus on yourself, which I feel like we all need and could use. And it's just outside the box and gives you direction. Okay, another top top pick, the foot massager. I have it right there. I don't know if you can see on the ground. I use this every single day. It's my daily treat. It gives you 20-minute deep tissue foot massage. It has the air compression, the rollers, it gets in there. So for your mom, she deserves it. The other love of my life, if your mom does not have a Kindle, for mom in particular, like my mom is nearsighted. So what I like about the Kindles is you can make the font nice and big for them. Actually got one for my dad for Christmas and he loves it. We're in a little book club now. And then if you want to take that even further, you get the Kindle stand and the page turner. That would be my most favorite gift anyone could give me. The collagen masks that I will not shut up about until every single one of you have tried them because they really make an instant wow factor difference. My mom has already purchased them, loves them, but I did get a pack for my stepmom. I think she'll love them. I might even give these as teacher's gift. This measuring spoon set is so cute, so clever. It's under $20 and it has the measuring spoons. They look like little succulent cactuses, so you're not going to lose them. I keep it out on display on my countertop. And then the base of it, the pot, is also functional. That is your cup measuring tool. Actually, I think that would be a unique teacher's gift idea as well. If you or your mom are the ones who are usually hosting different gatherings, events, dinner parties, I really love the food warmer mat. It's so useful to have. And my stepmom, she usually will make dinner for everyone on Sunday night. So I got one for her. So now when she's preparing dinner, she can keep the food nice and warm until it's ready to eat. Two things that I got recently that I think would make amazing gift items for mom are my Sculptural fruit basket. This to me is the most beautiful 3-tier fruit basket. I switched out my old basic fruit basket for this. And I have to say, like, I admire her in the kitchen and it makes my kitchen more beautiful. It's really affordable and just something nice, thoughtful that she will use and look at every day. And then also, hear me out, the robot trash can. You literally never have to touch trash again. It puts the trash bag in automatically. It seals the trash bag so you don't have to touch anything. And it comes with a year's worth of refills. So you literally set it and forget it. It has the auto open and close. It's just so cool. And I love and appreciate my robot trash can every day. And then my last gift pick is another thing that I have purchased recently that I love so much. I can attest to the value it adds to my life. And it is the Sunrise alarm clock. And when these first came out, they were very expensive, like over $100. Now you can get them for around the $30 price point. And I can't tell you how nice it is to wake up gradually and it simulates the sun rising. And so waking up in the morning is such a more pleasant experience. And actually, speaking of mothers, my kids are upstairs. I hear them starting to argue. So I'm going to wrap this up. Everything is linked down in the description box, also as the first pinned comment. Again, share this with your husband if you're a mom and tell him what to get you. Make his life easier so he's not just going to show up with some grocery store flowers that are going to die in a few days. Okay, he can get you something that you will actually love. And then also my Peak Radiant Skin Duo code does still work. So I will have that also in the description box. And with all of that said, thank you so much for being here. And I will see you soon with a new video.